Marsh Talk, Port Susan Bay Preserve, February 2023. We walk the estuary ellipse in February, a full grin without teeth. You spot a rail, I count the swans. We wonder when the eagles will snag a dead snow goose from the farmer's field. Through the cattails we follow a wavering line of river edge, holding back winter's flood. When our boots start to sink, we pull back from the bell curve. At the car, we meet a birder, a retired ranger, unfurling rain pants, bundling up for the wind. She confirms that yes, marsh hawk is another name for harrier. We were both right about that white rump raptor that darted past us, caught the sway of fluffing cattails before landing on an old, washed-up snarl, resurrected by the sea.